Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 13i, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and here we are in the standard photo mode. So now we can tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and here let's scroll to the general settings, general list, and enter the timer. Let's tap on it. As you can see in this device, you've got 4 different options to choose from. You've got off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option, it will be immediately applied, and now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course if you want to, you can turn off the timer the same way. So let's enter the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.